Guyana will be accessing its COVID-19 vaccines through COVAX, an alliance including the World Health Organization (WHO). Guyana will first be receiving vaccines equal to 3% of its population, followed by another tranche, which will equate to 17% of its population. But even though COVAX has asked the countries to prioritize healthcare and other frontline workers in the first dosage of the vaccine, Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony revealed in Wednesday's COVID-19 update that the elderly and persons with comorbidities are more at risk.
Now, with COVAX, what they're planning to do is to ensure that every country, sometime next year, would get about doses for about 20% of their population, of which we would start getting the first 3%, and they're asking countries to prioritize that 3% more towards frontline workers, which would include the healthcare workers and perhaps other persons who are constantly engaging the public. So the first 3% would go to those persons, and then the other 17%, it is yet to be determined. But in our context, we are leaning more towards having the elderly and also persons who have comorbidities, because these are the persons more at risk.
The health minister explained that COVAX has made progress in acquiring the vaccines and has already sent documentation for the government to start the process of accessing the vaccine. At the same time, the ministry has commenced preparation for the rollout of the vaccine when it becomes available.
While we're working with them to access the vaccine, we have also started work locally, which include looking at our vaccination sites and improving our cold storage, expanding that cold storage. In some cases, we have to add new storage rooms and things like that. We have also started acquiring the types of freezers that we'll need for the vaccines. So we have been in that process of procurement to get those freezers.
A procurement process is also ongoing for specialized freezers to store the vaccines, while a manual is being developed to train healthcare workers to administer the vaccine. Two U.S. companies, Pfizer and Moderna, have announced successful trials for their vaccines. The BBC on Wednesday reported that the UK has become the first country in the world to approve the Pfizer vaccine, paving the way for mass vaccination. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.